Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I clear up my cloudy pool with this one method. I'm not a pro, but I was able to get my water blue and crystal clear. So if you guys want to find out, follow me. So this is what my pool looks like at opening day, and I've already used a net to scoop up some of the leaves and bugs that was flowing on top. There's a bunch of other debris and stuff that has been settled onto the bottom, and we're going to want to vacuum that up. There are many ways to clear up a pool depending on your situation, and for me the quickest and fastest way is to use floc, pool flocculant. So the way floc works is it takes all of the microscopic debris that are very tiny that your filter or your net may not be able to pick up, and clumps them into a bigger chunk so they fall down to the bottom of the pool, where you can then vacuum it out. Step 1 is to test your pool water with pool test strips like this one. Adjust your pH level if necessary. Your pH level should be 7.2 or greater. Follow the instructions on the label. This product calls for 4 ounces for 5,000 gallons of water, and my pool is a little over 6,000 gallons, so I'll be using 5 ounces. Then brush the pool walls immediately after you add the floc. Wait 24 to 72 hours to allow the organic and inorganic articles to settle to the pool floor. Okay, actually, so before we start, right now the water level is a little low. We're gonna want to add some water here. So after you add the floc, all the sediment is gonna go down to the bottom. That's not when you want to add the water, because that's going to stir all of that sediment back up. So you want to add the water up before you add the floc, because you're going to have to vacuum all of that out on the bottom once all the sediments are down. Okay, so now that the water level is high enough, I think we can go ahead and add the floc. Okay, so we want to add probably that 5 ounces. Put the filter in circulate mode. We do not want the floc to run through the sand filter, and we will let it run for 2 hours. Add the floc as evenly as you can. The circulating mode on the pump will help you get the floc spread throughout the pool. And after you've done cleaning the walls, turn off the pump and let the water sit anywhere from 24 to 72 hours.
Several days later.
Alright, so it's actually day 4 today. We put in the floc on day 1. You have to give it 24 to 72 hours. So I gave it 24 hours. It didn't really do anything. So I gave it another day. Still didn't really do anything. So today's day 4. We're gonna go check it out and see what it looks like. Alright, let's go see what this thing is all about. Look at that. Look at that. See all the sediment that went down? All those little particles, all those little dirt and stuff like that. It's clumped into pieces. Now you can vacuum them up. And you can see it throughout the whole pool. There's little patches and stuff like that. So we just gotta vacuum all of those out to waste. But you can see how clear the water is. Man, it's like crystal clear. There's still some dirt on the top. I just need to clean it up. But look at all of this. Look at all of those dirt. Look at all of those dirt. Look at how clean the pool looks now. Look at how clear the water is. It's amazing. Put your vacuum in. Make sure your filter is now on drain or waste. We are literally throwing all the sediments out of the pool. Make sure you are taking your time and going very slow. If not, you could stir up all the debris, making your pool cloudy again. I'm not going fast over here, guys. This clip is fast forwarded 10 times. Okay, so we're all done, and look at what it looks like now, man. It is nice and clean. And also my water level, I lost so much level water level from vacuuming it to waste, that I'm gonna be filling some of that back up. So this came out amazing, way better than I expected. 4 days total, but I think I could have done it in 3 days. I just got busy on the 3rd day. And this is pretty much a wrap. Love to see what you guys think. Like and comment below if you have any suggestions. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.